What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. So today I'm going to be giving upcoming YouTubers like I myself some advice on how to become a successful YouTuber. So there are plenty of videos out already about this topic, but literally all they tell you is just like to stay consistent, which yeah, to a certain extent, but they are missing out on so many more key points that you need to know and you need to do in order to be successful with YouTube. But that is why I am here today to tell you guys a little bit more than what they ever tell you. So this is tea, so y'all need to grab y'all snacks, grab y'all drink, grab y'all popcorn and everything, and we're just gonna get right into it. So advice number one is to never pay attention to hate comments or shade thrown at you. For me, that's not hard to do because I legit do not care. I am nonchalant when it comes to what people have to say about me, but I know others are not. I know everyone isn't like that. So my advice to you is just to not pay attention to hate comments or shade. It will not get you anywhere reading hate comments. It'll just bring you down. So my advice to you is just never pay attention to those. So the next thing I want to tell you guys is to come up with out-of-the-box creative content. Now, it may be hard to come up with something that you know for sure will go viral unless you see a video go viral and you recreate it. But YouTube nowadays, it's a bit harder to become big versus 4 years ago. You know what I'm saying? If we would have started 4 years ago, I'm not saying it would have been easier, but people are much more picky now that they got the YouTubers, they got it set who they want to watch. You know what I'm saying? What kind of videos they want to watch. So my advice to you would be come up with out-of-the-box creative content or content that people will want to see. Don't just do anything and expect you to get like mad views. It's not how it works. Truthfully, YouTube is all about pleasing the people. You have to please your audience. You have to please the people. You have to give them what they want to see. You can't just do what you want to do regardless of how your supporters feel about what you're doing. You have to, please your supporters. So this next tip goes right along with what I just said, which is try to do what's trending based off of what your channel is about. Don't just do, like, say if your channel is about beauty, like mine, and I end up doing something about gaming just because it's trending. No, don't do that. If your channel is about beauty and a video like I tried to do my makeup in 10 minutes is trending, definitely hop on the wave and do that. I know sometimes y'all be like, I want to do what I want to do. I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. You're legit still already doing what everybody else is doing. Everybody else is doing YouTube. You're just gonna not do YouTube because everyone else is doing it. No, you got to hop on the wave when it comes to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Or else, you're not gonna blow if you're not gonna do what's trending. When you do what's trending, somebody can type in the video that's trending and your video will pop up. So the next thing is to promote your channel regardless of who gets tired of it. Promote your channel every day. Who else is gonna do it? Or you may have your brother who promotes your channel or your friend who will promote your channel, but all in all, you gotta promote your channel. Nobody's gonna care to promote your channel like you will. You know what I'm saying? You got to promote your own channel every single day, no matter who comments. I'm tired of seeing the same thing. If you promote your channel every day, somebody is gonna be like, let me just see what this is about. I keep seeing this junk every single day. Let me just see what this is about. Regardless of if they liked the video or not, they still gave you your view. Therefore, promote your channel, you guys. Don't be scared to promote it. Don't be embarrassed to promote it. Promote your channel. Next is don't pay attention to views. I know that sounds cliche and it's definitely easier said than done, but starting out, you cannot pay, and I need to take my own advice on this. Starting out, you cannot pay attention to views. Your first video, your second video, your third video, your 20th video may not go be sky high with views. You may not go viral, you know what I'm saying? But don't pay attention to that. Do YouTube because you're passionate about doing YouTube. You're passionate about being in front of the camera. You know what I'm saying? Do YouTube because this is what you love to do. Don't do YouTube because you love to get big views. Like, I know what that's about. Like, I know it's what it's about. You have to get big views to be noticed. You have to get, you know what I'm saying, subscribers. But starting out, you just can't think about that type of stuff because you're gonna get discouraged a whole lot. It takes a while for some people. Some people get lucky enough to make a video and it go viral. You know, it's also depending on popularity in some cases. But you know what I'm saying? You can't pay attention to views starting out. It will discourage you and it'll make you be like, well, what's the point if I'm not gonna get views? What's the point? But you can't think that way. You just gotta keep going. Don't even pay attention to the views. Just keep promoting your channel, promote your videos every day. You will get noticed sooner or later, I promise. So the next tip kind of goes into what I just said. Never give up. No matter what, never give up. No matter what people are saying about you, about your channel, oh, you're boring, who wants to watch you, da-da-da-da, or no matter who tries to copy you and then they get more views and more subscribers than you quicker than you did. Don't give up. Just remember to walk by faith and never ever give up. You don't want to give up your dream because it's not working when you want it to, or because it's not shooting off when you want it to. Everything will come together in due time. It's on God's timing, not yours. So you just have to remember that everything takes time and it's not gonna work when you want it to work. The next thing is to try to have an uploading schedule so people would know when you're going to post. Me, I don't have an uploading schedule because I don't like giving people a date, a time of day that I'm gonna post, and then I end up not posting because I end up not recording that day because this happening and this happening and this happening. But advice to you guys, try to have a set schedule so your subscribers can know when you're gonna post, know what time you're gonna post, know what days you're gonna post, all of that. Try to have that set for them so they know when to look out for your videos. Next thing is put your way out. I can't talk. Next thing is put your name out there in some way, shape, or form. Regardless of if that's Twitter, you know what I'm saying? You're letting your Twitter know that you have a YouTube and you want them to go check this out, this video out, you want them to go subscribe, regardless of that's Instagram. And it doesn't even have to be social media, you know? If you're in school, you can tell your classmates like, hey, I got a channel, go check it out, blase, blase, like it, don't like it, whatever, just check it out. Or if you graduated and you're not in college, but you know, you go places sometimes, you could just let people know what you do. Like, you know how some people like are nosy, and I hate this. You know how some people are nosy? Like, oh, well, now that, you know what I'm saying, you go to school, what you doing? What job you got? What job you got? Just say, I do YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. You should check it out. You should check out my channel. I do this, that, and the fourth. I mean, this, that, and the third. Just tell them what you do. Don't say, oh, well, because you're embarrassed to tell them that you do YouTube. Put your name out there. You're not gonna get anywhere if you're not letting folks know, this is the Biz Naive, this is what I do. I'm doing YouTube and my name is da-da-da on YouTube and I do this and I do that and the third. Let them know. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go for it. You gotta take what's yours and you gotta let people know, yeah, this is me. I'm doing YouTube. Check it out. Like it or not, I don't care. Just check it out, okay? So the next thing is to just keep having faith in God. Some of you may not be a believer in God, but I don't care what you say. I'm a strong believer in God, and I'm a strong believer that you have to have faith in Him. If you don't, nothing is ever gonna work. You gotta believe in Him. You gotta trust in the process. You just gotta know that it's on God's timing and not yours. I said that earlier, but it's on God's timing and not yours. So just keep having faith and don't give up. The next thing is to work smarter, not harder. Meaning, and I say this with everything, definitely not just YouTube. I say this with everything. I don't know how to describe it to you guys. I don't want to say it wrong and then you guys end up like, what? Wait, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I don't want to say it wrong. So just work smarter, not harder. Don't beat yourself up with this YouTube stuff. It's legit not that hard. It's not easy, but it's not that hard. Don't beat yourself up about it. You know what I'm saying? Do what's trending and stay consistent. You will legit find your purpose in this YouTube stuff. Next is stay consistent, but like I said, it is not the key to success in this YouTube stuff. You can be consistent. You can be oh so consistent and boring and nobody will ever watch your videos, no matter if you've been posting since 2 years ago non-stop. If your videos are boring, you will not get views. You will not get subscribers, and you will not have a lot of traffic coming in on YouTube because you are boring. So don't just think. And that's why I hate that whenever I used to watch videos on how to become a successful YouTuber, they stay consistent. It's easy. It is not that simple. It's not just stay consistent. You have to come up with creative content. You have to do all of that. Don't just think, if I stay consistent, I'll blow up one day. No, your content have to be creative. Remember that. So next is just ask your subscribers what they want to see. Always ask your subscribers what they want to see, or ask your social media what kind of videos they like when they come to YouTube. Like, what kind of videos would they like to watch? Do this so you're not uploading bullcrap content that your subscribers are not going to watch. Because if they're subscribed to you and they're not getting the videos that they want to see from you, they will unsubscribe, or they won't unsubscribe, but they just simply will not watch your videos. Therefore, always ask your people what they would love to watch. And you have, trust me, you have to give them what they want to see, period. You have to. This thing is so important, and is to create creative thumbnails so you can at least get someone to click the video. If you guys don't know what thumbnails are, they're the picture that you see when someone uploads the video. It's the picture that you see next to the title. Creative thumbnails are so important. You can't have a boring thumbnail. Next thing is to clickbait your titles just a tad bit, never to the extreme. You don't want to have your title saying, oh my gosh, I just spent $10,000 at the store, when really you click on the video and you bought a t-shirt from the store. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely gonna get you some negative comments, and at this point you asked for it. Just clickbait your title a tad bit. It has to have relation to the actual video. You cannot, and I cannot stress this enough, you cannot have your title something that has nothing to do with the video, okay? Clickbait a tad bit, never to the extreme. The next thing you have to do is just to get comfortable with the camera. I was just giving a friend of mine advice about this. You have to, well, sister-in-law, maybe, you know what I'm saying? I was just giving her advice about this. You just have to be comfortable with the camera. Me, I'm very comfortable with the camera because as a little girl, I always was on camera. I always wanted to be on camera. I used to take my mom's camera, record myself. I used to set the sheets up, like hang the sheets up in the background, make it seem like I'm just modeling, you know what I'm saying? I used to make it seem like I'm modeling. I used to want to be on camera so bad. I remember when I was younger, I went to a Disney Channel audition. I just always wanted to be on camera. Always, no matter what. That's exactly why I'm as comfortable with the camera as I am, because I personally always wanted to be on camera. You have to get comfortable with the camera, or else it'll be real awkward. Like if I'm talking to you right now, I don't even know how to be awkward on camera. If I'm talking to you right now and it's just like, yeah, so you just gotta be comfortable with the camera, because you know what I'm saying? You're gonna be really, really boring. You're going to be really, really boring, period. So next is to try stepping out of your comfort zone. Don't do anything that you're not uncomfortable with, that you literally can't even sit with, but step out of the box. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to step out of the box. Never go to the extreme. Just step out of your comfort zone a little bit. Do something different. Do something that you're not used to, but that you will be okay with doing. Is to get people talking about your video, regardless of if it's good talk or bad. If it's good talk, you're gonna get good traffic coming in. If it's bad talk, you're still gonna get traffic coming in. You know what I'm saying? Because they want to see, what these people talking about. Is it true? Let me go check out her channel and see. At the end of the day, they still gave you your view, regardless of if they liked the video or not, regardless of if they disliked the video. They still gave you your view, baby. They still gave you your coin, okay? So get people talking about your channel, your videos. Just get people talking. The next thing is to be entertaining. You have to be entertaining. You can't be boring. You can't just sit here like this and expect people to finish the video, or expect anybody to get past 5 minutes or 5 seconds of the video, because it's mad boring. Me personally, if the very first 2 seconds of the video is boring, then I'm not even gonna continue to watch. You see what I'm saying? Like, that tone is so boring. Like, be entertaining, have some enthusiasm. You have to be enthusiastic. You can't just be like this on YouTube and expect people to like your channel, because no, that's not how it works. Be entertaining, okay? What you need to do is put tags in your videos to get your videos in the search engine. Whenever somebody searches up a video, your channel pops up, your video pops up, something of yours pop up. Tags are so freaking important, okay? Tags are very important. Make sure you have those in the video. If you guys don't know how to put tags in your videos, I can do a tutorial on how to put tags in your videos. There's tutorials already out there. You just let me know, okay? I can help you with that if you need. The very last thing to this YouTube thing is to be your true, authentic self. If it's forced, you can tell, okay? If it's forced, you can tell. Be your true, authentic self. Never be anybody else but you, and with all those tips, you will get far, I promise. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you guys want more advice on things about YouTube, things about anything in general, I don't care, just let me know. I will do that for you. This video is 21 minutes long. Yes, I'm gonna have mad editing to do, but I don't care. If you guys hear chewing in the background, that is my cat, Milo, going to town on his food. When I'm recording. Anyways, I love you all so much. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. Make sure you guys smash the like button. If you have not already, subscribe. What are you doing? You have to subscribe to my channel, and once you subscribe, you have to click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, so you don't miss. Say, oh, I didn't even know you uploaded. Oh, well, that's because you didn't click the notification bell. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next upload. I love you all. Stay blessed, and yeah.